name is Douglas Michael Long. I'm the chairman and founder of Specialised Covers. Specialised Covers started by accident. I bought a Ferrari in 1978, a 308 fiberglass car, where I kept the car in the garage. The dust went on my car, didn't like that. So I bought a sheet, didn't like the sheet. I asked my wife if we could do something. She said, yeah, we could pin it and shape it. We did it together. And friends kept saying to me, oh, can you make me one? Can you make? So I made some for friends. One day I was at Donington Park and a guy came up with an entourage of guys with him. He said, I'm chairman of BMW UK. So that was the start, really. And then it just kept snowballing and snowballing. My daughter joined the company. She is now MD of Specialised Covers. She's put together a great team with the new expansion into the new factory.
My name's Katie Fishwick and I am the MD at Specialised Covers. Over the last 10 years we have increased in both size and revenue and staffing at least by double. Our main challenge at the moment is looking at digital approaches, bringing in digital technology, applying that to a very traditional method of making covers. We in essence make clothing for cars, so in a very traditional way with cloth on the car, taking the shape, taking the framework, taking the edges, the lines of it. We have doubled our production facilities. That has allowed us to approach B2B customers, to increase our volume and production lead times. Our current lead times are about 4 weeks, but the scope and the dream is to have a 2-week lead time. Even on custom, one-off products, a 1 week, 2 week lead time is what the customer is demanding. Cutting clearly was a huge bottleneck for our business. The volume of cutting required, we are producing over 4,000 products a week. We very rarely do the same product twice, so having that flexibility to be able to cut at a quicker rate was hugely important. We approached Lectra initially already having a CNC machine on site, but it did not cut one of our main materials. So the initial approach to Lectra was, can you cut this material? Can you work with this material multi-layered? Can you do 50 layers at a time? What's your accuracy like? And that was the process we did with Lectra. They analysed our material, our workflow, what we needed to do, what we needed to achieve. They immediately found a solution and were happy to evidence that solution, both through a process, through guided learning, through training as well at their site in Bordeaux.
So we use Design Concept 2D, D-amino nesting software, vector methods. Lectra have worked very close with us, so they've helped any questions we've had, training for all the software. They've always been there to help since we've had all the software and the machine. At the drop of a hat, they're always on call, remote onto your machines.
We've had numerous trainers come in from Lectra to come in at different areas, both the digital side, the cutting side and also the software side. So it's been a real growth project for us and the investment with Lectra has been really positive. 3D modelling is something Lectra have also helped us with as well. Our initial concept of how to develop CAD designs to go into the Lectra machine was something that Lectra were really positive in helping to support us.
The support of the implementation of Industry 4.0 into our business will obviously enable us to become more efficient and to also enable the business to, I guess, be a better partner for new business opportunities that we're obviously searching and seeking for. From my point of view, the commercial aspirations of this business are to grow. We've had phenomenal growth in the last financial year, which without a doubt has been supported by the factory expansion.
Lectra introducing us to Industry 4.0 has supported our digital plan moving forward. The digital approach with both 3D and modelling will allow us to increase production and sales.
Working with Lectra will decrease our lead times, improve our quality and ultimately future-proof the business.